Sounds good. Big V8 rally car. This is crazy. Genuinely. He's getting used to the camera. Finally. Still inert. Today we're lucky enough to get a walk around the ESUF Racing garage. Kind of nervous, to be honest. This is, I mean, the amount of cars here is insane. The type of cars is ridiculous. I mean, alright, first, R34 GT-R V-Spec 2. Super clean on the inside. Doesn't get much better than that. So, moving on from there, R35. Of course, Civic. Not stock, again. I don't know what's done to this, but it's gotta be at least 1,000 horsepower. At least. V8 E46 rally car, of course, as you do. Got the Supra, of course, you need a Supra. Evo wagon, not a common vehicle. Now, first of all, it's not just these cars are rare and in beautiful taste, but they're so clean. I can't find an imperfection on some of these things. They're so clean. Like, I mean, clean. Clean. Like, it doesn't even feel like I'm looking at real cars. It looks like I've walked into a Fast and Furious scene. Take a peek at that RX-7. We're currently under a pristine Starlet. And another Evo. It's a lot to take in, I'll be honest with you. I'm trying my best. So, Starlet, Evo with no engine at the moment. RX-7. Doing prep for rally right now. I don't really know what to say about that. Just gorgeous. See if we can get a back shot. Here, pause. Thank you. Yep, that's an RX-7, alright. I'm in a very tight spot to get this, but... And then... I don't even need to introduce this one, but I'll let the mud flap do it for you. Yo, go on. Wrapped up like a Christmas present. ESUF Racing team machines for the season. We have, I don't know if you recognize this. This is a V8 out of a BMW M3. And it's swapped into a 1M chassis. Over there, the matching E46. Same setup. Well, I don't know if it's the exact same, but it's similar. Raymond, these cars have the same engine setup. These cars have the same engine setup. Alright, confirm. Slight differences to the engines.
I'll be right back.
You thought I was an amateur, had the mic in mono. Sorry, in stereo, not mono. Well, if the audio is shit, I'll voice it over.
That's how I finish.
So we're on the way to Vaucluse racetrack now. We were at Bushy Park earlier. track is a bit more off-road. Damn, that thing sounds good.